Are we in the camera? Are we in the shot? Gotta get Lynn in there as well. Yes, we're good. 2019, ladies and gentlemen. It is almost over. So how did 2019 go? Well, to be honest, I thought I would have uploaded a lot more videos this year. If I was to compare last year's video uploads or 2017, I just personally felt like I didn't upload as much. There was a few gaps through the months where I was just purely busy with either other work, car sounds related, or just personal things. I mean, this will just give me more motivation for next year, I guess. As far as 2019, I would say it was steady. Very steady in terms of doing YouTube. It wasn't, you know, we didn't do anything majorly crazy, or, you know, it wasn't completely a ghost. Yeah, I do think we could have done a bit more content this year. This is just going to give me more motivation when I look back on this to get more videos done, guys, which my apologies if everybody else realizes that as well. Did you achieve your goals this year? Well, one of my goals was to make more content, and I actually did write on my board to hit 50,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Last time I checked, I'm not too sure. I think I'm around the 46,000 mark. We're so close, but yet so far. That was a goal that I thought was realistic in my eyes. Next year, I really want to hit that 50,000 subscriber mark. Look, it's not always about how much subscribers you have. You know, I do these videos because I enjoy doing them, and I hope you guys enjoy it as well. As opposed to achieving my goals, yeah, I would say we didn't get there as the main one for the year, but I'll definitely be hitting it next year. What was your favorite bit about 2019? My favorite bit for 2019 was probably the Motorcar Skid Pan Day that New South Wales Super Club hosted. That was absolutely so much fun. Like, I loved it, and I will definitely be doing it again. I think it was just the fact that it was a whole day event, and I felt confident in the car. I didn't feel like, you know, I was putting a lot of stress on the motor, on the driveline, or anything like that. I loved it, absolutely loved it. What's new for 2020? We have more car parts for Project Lynn. I do have them underneath my bed, and I'm really excited to show you guys next year. I won't say much. We are planning with Uncle to do these modifications probably the 3rd month in, somewhere along those lines. You're gonna have to wait. Trust me, guys, you guys are gonna freaking love this. Car sounds. We've done a few car sounds this year, some that I haven't done before. I am gonna do a 100th video special, which is probably about 2 more videos away. Like, I think last time I checked, I had 98 videos uploaded. So yeah, there will be a special video out on the 100th video uploaded. What else is there? Feature cars. I posted on Facebook if people are interested to get their cars featured and tell their story about their cars, and I got a response back like this of people, like just a list of cars. That's going to be really interesting, and I just want to say thank you to everyone who said that they would be keen. Honestly, thank you so much, and I hope we can do this next year. What else for 2020? I've actually, look, I don't know if this is 100% yet, but I'm actually thinking of a new project car. Lynn's not going anywhere. Lynn is not going anywhere. She is staying, don't worry. But I have been thinking if we can do a new project car in 2020, something really cheap. I'm not gonna go for something crazy, and, you know, well, I don't have the money for that anyway, but if we do a project car, I want to do something that's really cheap, bang for buck power. We're not doing a Barra because everyone's done a Barra, and I love Barras, but yeah, we're not doing a Barra. That's something that's been in my mind. I'm not 100% sure if we're gonna do that. Thinking about doing a live show. I've been performing around the world in America, New Zealand, Russia, UK, doing, you know, car shows and stuff and performing. I really haven't done anything in Australia. My goal for next year, I really would love to do some sort of car show or a meet and greet where I'll be having like a stage, and I'll be just doing my car sounds with like lights and smoke machines and all this other stuff. Doing a live show in Australia is definitely on the cards. I'm going to try my best to make this happen. Just want to thank again Unique Automotive, Uncle and Courtney. Guys, once again, thank you so much for putting up with my crap and all the things that I do your head in for getting stuff done for Project Lynn. I'm always making time for me to stay back and and sort things out or get maintenance done on this car or new modifications or something, or just a general visit because I know how busy you guys are. Thanks so much, guys. I'd also like to thank New South Wales Super Club for organising all the events that they've done this year. Obviously with the new release of the 2020 Supra, I'm pretty keen to see more Mark V Supras cruising with us. I'd also like to thank my family and friends who have supported me since day one, whether it's been, helping me to car events or, coming with me to events or sharing all the social media things that I post, whether it's, a new video that I've got up or new merchandise that I've got out. Also, another massive thank you to my partner, who is now my fiance. Thank you so much to you for dealing with my crap and coming with me to all these events and helping me film sometimes, or sometimes when I'm lazy and I don't really feel like filming, and you push me to make more videos. So thanks babe. Last but not least, I just want to thank you that's sitting at home and taking the time to watch my videos. Thank you very much. It's the reason why I do this, and I love to share my passion, which is automotive, whether it's being my dream car or the passion I have for other vehicles or just general lifestyle automotive. I love it. Thank you so much, guys. I hope 2019 was good to you, and I hope 2020 is going to be even more bigger for you. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is it. 2019 gone. My name's Daniel Jovanov, aka Human Car Sounds. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I will see you in 2020.